Whether your business is big or small, the thing you need for sure is leads. Lots of leads. It costs money to advertise, and you simply have to have a budget and then hope that your advertising works, especially with expensive search engine and newspaper pads. What if you could get traffic from Google, press releases, social media, and YouTube? What if those ads cost a fraction of the cost of paying for a magazine ad? Well, with all-inclusive ads, you get just that and more. You get the power of cooperative advertising, designed and led by professional marketers who know exactly what they're doing. All-inclusive ads purchase $40,000 in advertising each and every month, and you, for just the price of a dinner out, can tap into that $40,000 budget, plus get the expertise of marketing professionals working for you. It's like hiring your own professional ad agency for pennies on the dollar. Your website will get traffic from search engines, print media, YouTube, and other cutting-edge sources, and all you need to do is tell All-Inclusive Ads which website to send the traffic to. It's really that simple. Go to All-Inclusive Ads right now to cash in on a one-of-a-kind co-op. Start your flood of leads and get traffic to your site starting in the next 10 minutes. This offer won't last long, so jumpstart your business and go check out All-Inclusive Ads today.